Welcome back. Fathodda MLA Vijay Sardesai has charged the BJP of distributing voter slips with a symbol which is against the norms of Election Commission. Vijay said such a move will deny voters an opportunity to vote and BJP is doing it with purpose. However, BJP candidate in South Goa Narendra Savaikar has denied any distribution of such slips. Vijay alleged that the state electoral officers are acting on the diktats of the state government.
कार्ड घेवन वतलो मत मारपाक ताका इलेक्शन ऑफिशियल सांगतले की यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू कम विथ दिस बिकॉज इट इज इल्लीगल यू हैव टू कम विथ अ स्लिप इलेक्टोरल स्लिप duly signed by the BLO जेन्ना तो हाडचो ना ताका सांगतले तूं परतो वच तो लायनीन उबो रावन परतो वाजेतलो आनी जो सुशेगाद गोंयकार वोटर आहा हो डिस्करेज जावपाक शकता मत मारपाक. Election Commission is acting on the dictates of the state government. It is mandatory that police officers should be transferred before the elections. Election Commission has not transferred any police officer. The same people who have harassed political opponents at the behest of the ruling party are very much ensconced as police chiefs, so that the whole democratic process will be undermined.
No, we have not distributed. If anybody has distributed, I don't know. We are not aware. So तेका लागून आमी काय distribute करू ना. जर कोणी केल्ले आसत कितें आसत जाल्यार आमकां खबर ना. तेजे बद्दलची म्हायती काडटा.
Goa defeated Jharkhand by 58 runs to keep their hopes alive of entering the finals of Syed Mushtaq Ali 2020 cricket tournament. Goa will play Gujarat in the final Super League match in Rajkot on Saturday afternoon. Goa are currently placed third in the Group A as Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat have better run rate than Goa. Haryana are in the fourth position. Uttar Pradesh will play Haryana in the morning, thus giving Goa a chance to know that they will need a big win over Gujarat to top the group. The topper of Group A will play Group B winner in the final.
Having lost their first match in the tournament on Thursday to Uttar Pradesh, Goa returned to winning ways immediately with a comprehensive 58-run victory over Jharkhand. Once again, captain Swapnil Asnodkar won the toss and elected to bat first. Swapnil scored another fine half-century. His 57-run knock of 47 balls comprised 6 boundaries and 1 sixer. Swapnil and fellow opener Sagun Kamat put on 88 runs in 9.2 overs to give Goa a great start. Sagun made 40 runs of 26 balls, hitting 3 sixers and 1 boundary during his stay in the crease. Goa posted a challenging total of 172 runs for the loss of 4 wickets in the allotted 20 overs. Jharkhand failed to make a match of it as they lost wickets at regular intervals. Kaushal Singh was the top scorer with 42 runs as Jharkhand could only make 114 for 8 in reply. Gaurish Gawaz picked up 3 wickets while Darshan Misal claimed 2. Harshad Gadekar had 1 victim to his name as another fine effort by Goa put the team in reckoning for their first ever BCCI's major tournament finals. Now to get into the final, Goa will have to beat Gujarat and get their run rate up and hope that Haryana beat UP by a small margin. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.